Notice what's missing? Yep. Got it on this side. But on this side, for some reason, they took it off. So today I went through LMC and I got me a new rain track and a new chrome strip piece and some screws, and we are going to put this on, and I'm going to show you how. First thing is the track itself. And first thing I want to do is make sure that these little screws fit the hole, and they do. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put one in here, and without the chrome strip in place, it's a lot easier to get to these little things, but the holes are still kind of weird. We'll put this one out here. There, one in the hole. Yeah. And it has a little rubberized gasket on the back of it, which is good. That's kind of nice. But this one. And if you don't know, these little things are 6.5 millimeters or quarter inch, but that's what it is. I actually need a stool. Okay, now I can see, and we'll just give it a little bit of a twist in there just to hold it in place for now, and we'll put the rest of them in. There's 7 total. Like everything else in this world, when you're putting stuff together like this, sometimes it doesn't fit the best. Sometimes you got to play with it a little bit. See, now I get it. See, all these years I've been using like a quarter inch coming from the outside, but without this chrome strip, they leave it open so you can actually get to it with a ratchet. And you might have to push it around a little bit to get it where you need it to go. But then once you get it there, right as rain. And like I said, there's a little rubber gasket on the back side of this. And it does kind of hold it in place. That's nice and solid. You ain't got to put a lot of jerk on this. This will go in place without a lot of muss. There it went. Like butter. Okay. Now all there's left to do is put the chrome on. And it comes packaged from LMC. Cut the end of it off, slide it out. Okay, and be careful with this because this is very flimsy. There's no support in here. It's just a stainless track with a bend in it. So don't be rough with it. Hey, if you're here and you're watching, smash that like button. It's down here somewhere. That like button's down there. It really helps out the channel. Y'all be good. So I would suggest working from the back here, and you slip it from this side. You slip it over and just kind of tap it home because you want to make sure that you're around here like it should be, right? Okay, change of plans. Okay, so you can't, if you get lucky, you can't hang it on there like I thought, okay, because these come with a painted coating on them that actually interferes with the fit of the trim itself. See the trim, if you can see that, if I can get you a good picture of that. There we go. The trim sits inside the channel. The trim has bevels on both sides basically clip in place. Okay, so what I had to do was I actually had to grind off some of the coating on the rail itself to get it to actually fit on. Okay, and that's why you'll see it's got the little scratches on the side, because I filed inside and out. But then once you do that, then all I did was I placed it on the table this side up, and I started working from the back side. I started working from the back side, and I basically just tapped it in place, right? And got the clip in place. Okay, now that it's in place, now we'll go with our 1/4" wrench and our 7 screws, and we'll put it back on. Like I said, with this LMC kit, it comes with the channel and the chrome strip separate. It's not all put together one piece, so you have to basically assemble it. So if you're having problems and you're aggravated and you're acting like, well, this is not fitting like it should, or I can't get it to go on, grind a little bit off of the coating of it, paint, so that you can actually get your trim to pop on. And then it's just, you slip it over the top part, you slip it, you put it in the groove in the top, and you basically just pop it into place, because it's got a groove on the backside too. See, so you put the top in first on the ridge, and then you press it into place there. All right, and that's what she looks like when she's done, upped in place like it should be. Nice rain guard. If you go slow and you take your time and you don't get aggravated, this is a really easy little process. But just remember, I tried it the first way, didn't work. So the second way, put it on before you put it on. Put the chrome strip on the bracket before you put the bracket on for the grip rails. So if you're still here, like, share, subscribe, smash that like button. It really helps. If you want to see more stuff like this, check out this link right here for Bam-A-Lam. If you want to see something kind of cool, watch this video about the engine I built for $500. Y'all have a good day.